Hello everybody, welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this October the 24th. It's a beautiful autumn day. It's about 82 degrees and it's going to start getting cooler, I think tomorrow, in the 70s and then 60s. So autumn is here. Anyway, this is my side garden. I don't get much light or sun over here, so I grow low maintenance items, which are elephant ears, lamb's ears. I was looking at that elephant ear, but anyway, these are lamb's ears. They're really low maintenance, don't require any water, good sharing plants. And I got some mint in there growing, the same with those. And then I got a lot of stuff in my pots here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that are good sharing plants. And I'm just going to give you a little tour of those. Those are stuff I've collected throughout the year, different yards, different people gave me. And I'm going to share them. I'm going to grow them and share them. So here we go. I was very lucky this year, and I got some new plants that I haven't had before, which is this elephant ear. I was able to get a little new growth from somebody, and next year it'll look really good. I'm going to plant it. Over here I got another little elephant ear, and I got some clematis vine. I think it was purple flower on that, and some more irises. But anyway, these are my favorite here. Hostas. I got looks like 2 non-variegated hostas, and I got a couple of variegated ones. It looks like 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! And an elephant ear. That's a different type. I like those. And a little baby one. Over here I have a couple more hostas. I think these are from my front. Actually, it looks like 1, 2, 3. And the same thing here. And I'm not sure. This is just like the other one over there, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think I got those from a neighbor down the street. But anyway, I do have a hydrangea, or an azalea, non-core azalea that I'm going to plant at the church. I bought that at Home Depot. And then I got some banana plants I dug up the other day to give to a neighbor down the street. But anyway, this spot is good because it doesn't get a lot of heat, and so a little bit of sun. I just had to remember to water everything, and all these plants were dug up like little baby ones growing. I split them off from other plants. A couple of them I did grow from cuttings, but all the hostas I think were dug up. Anyway, all those are great sharing plants. This is a good spot for them. I just put some mulch on them over the winter, and then hopefully next spring they'll pop up and surprise people. Say, here you go, take some to the church, whatever. Okay, so share your plants, get them ready, and enjoy them. Bye.